Hi, today I'm going to tell you a secret about the Tesla for the trading. Today I'm going to tell you the secret time interval for Tesla, Meta, and Microsoft. So if you like this kind of money mindset, money strategy, please click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And subscribe to my free email list. So I will send you more about the free webinar, more free information. So you can see here, this is a Tesla. So you can see every period at a certain day, they will have a critical point, basically from the peak or to the bottom. So it's approximate. It's not exactly, but approximate. Okay. So you can see here from the bottom to so they can go ahead. So it's a multiple of this time interval. So for the Tesla, it's 17 days basically from the bottom to the peak, from the peak to the bottom, and you can go forward more than 17 days. So this is 34 days. It's multiple of 17 basically. So now we are at the critical point. Basically, tomorrow on 13th of June is our time interval. So this one already 17 days. So from here, from the bottom to here is 34 days already. So would they go ahead or would they go down? We will see tomorrow. And in my last two videos, I have mentioned Tesla have reached our resistance point. Okay, so you can watch my previous two video about Tesla. The resistance is about 260 and the next one is about 300. Watch it back and see is it accurate later. Okay, so for Tesla, it's 17 days. Okay, so for each company is different. So for the next company I'm going to show you is Meta. Meta is not 17 days. Meta is 60 days. Okay, 60. So from the bottom to the peak, to the critical point, to the another peak, and you go ahead. Okay, so it can be from the peak to the bottom, from the bottom to the peak. So it's multiple of 60 days, basically. So it can be 30 days also, so which is half. Okay, so 60 days is an important time interval for Meta. For Microsoft, it's the same. We also have an interval. So this method can tell us about more about the time concept for the trading. So if you want to know Microsoft interval, please follow my free Instagram group. I will tell you there, or drop me an email. I will also tell you by email. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. I see you in the next video. And join my free email list. I see you in the next video. Welcome to ymchannel. Bye-bye.